my name is Cheyanne Wheat, and I am the lead developer and founder of Gaming the Museum. Gaming the Museum is a development studio focused on creating digital interactive experiences that are for non-for-profits or education. Our primary target is museums that are looking for new interactive digital experiences to incorporate in their space in order to engage new demographics. I'm a student at the University of Tulsa, studying at the Tandy School of Computer Science, majoring in computer science and computer simulation and gaming. I got involved with Dr. Pickering and Professor Diaz through a TURK project. TURK is TU Undergraduate Research. We wanted to explore the fusion of museum collections and video game technology. So I started researching this particular topic last summer. We were looking for something that was desirable for the local community, and so we began developing Virtual Fort Gibson. Virtual Fort Gibson is a digital recreation of a historical site. We aren't recreating what Fort Gibson is now. We're recreating what Fort Gibson was in 1840 when it was the most western fort in the United States. So it functioned as a hub for trade and communication. From being involved with Virtual Fort Gibson and this particular research, I started to see that there was a need in the community for really interactive and engaging digital experiences like these. So that is where Gaming the Museum was born. I recently presented at an event with a lot of museum professionals showing off my beta demo of Virtual Fort Gibson, and I got a lot of positive feedback. They were saying things like, we'd really love to have something like this in our space. We need something like this when we're on our off season. This would really engage the younger crowd, children that are raised in this digital age. They're not very engaged in art museums or museums of natural history. Exhibits like these would be really revolutionary. Often I'm asked why I picked gaming to study. I have always been interested in storytelling, and I wanted to be deeply involved in the tech industry. I started out as a computer science major, and I didn't see this storytelling creative element that I was really deeply desiring. And so then I also jumped on the computer simulation and gaming train, where I could fuse the tech and the storytelling together and really bring those two worlds together, art and tech. We could bring them together, and I really wanted to be in the middle of all of that. I wanted to be able to work with musicians and artists and designers, as well as our computer scientists, our software designers. Gaming is often saw as an isolated activity only for leisure, and I see gaming as something bigger than that. We can use gaming to create these social experiences that involve multiple people and really are thought-provoking. We can use gaming to change perspective and introduce perspective, as well as teach and educate young children and adults alike. Gaming can be used in a variety of applications, but especially education. I think it's a great opportunity to place someone in the shoes of a historical figure and really understand their surroundings and the situation and environment that this person lived within. During my studies at TU, I have connected with many people, including working with peers on various video game projects and talking to faculty and professionals of the community. And we've had conversations about how we see the growth of the tech industry in Tulsa. Through these kinds of conversations, I've developed relationships and mentorships with various community members, including faculty here at TU, entrepreneur, mentor, and community builders, as well as museum professionals and those who are museum curators at local museums. I see Gaming the Museum helping Tulsa become a destination spot for art and museum enthusiasts, as well as helping the tech industry in Tulsa grow bigger and bigger. Ultimately, I really just want to make a difference in TU's culture and community, and I want to curate experiences that are really going to impact the digital natives of the future. I hope Gaming the Museum will become the studio that is creating interactive experiences for local museums as well as big national museums in the future. Thank you.